Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the diesel fuel filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever, and open the bonnet. Take off the engine cover. You will then be able to see the diesel filter. Place paper towels to absorb any diesel that could leak out. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the drain screw on the filter cover. You now need to disconnect the hoses. Using a flathead screwdriver, lift the central part of the lead, then push on the edge of the lead to free the hose. Then pull on the hose to remove it. Repeat the operation on the other hose. Using socket wrench and a T30 Torx socket, unscrew the 4 screws from the diesel fuel filter cover. Take a liquid collector for the diesel that will flow out of the filter. You can learn how to make one by watching another of our videos, How to Make a Collector for Liquids. Then, using a flathead screwdriver, delicately lever the edge of the cover to extract it. Take it out carefully, letting it drip for a few seconds into the filter casing. Place it in the liquid collector. Using a syringe or a hoovering tool, remove the diesel so that you can completely clean the flange with a paper towel.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Separate the filter cartridge from the flange. Using a thin screwdriver, take out the rubber O-ring which is located on the flange washer. Clean the cover with brake cleaner fluid and a piece of tissue. Replace the seal with the one that is supplied with the new filter, ensuring you properly oil its surface. Insert the new filter into the flange until you hear the click that says it has been locked into place. Take a container filter with diesel and fill the filter. Put the filter back in place. Then screw the 4 screws back on. Reclip the hoses. Lock them. Screw the cover drain screw back on. Before starting your vehicle, pump the primer pump until it becomes hard. Reinstall the engine cover. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We will be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.